up, guys? Well, this is another video, another install, another car part for the Subaru. So I can't wait to show you guys how they look on the car. I'm excited to finally put these on after waiting forever to try to see if I wanted to bite the bullet and just get these, because they're pretty expensive. So I got them pretty cheap because there was a sale going on, plus another 10% discount. So yeah, it's probably too late to use the 10%. So, and probably too late for them to be cheaper. So I got them, and now they're here. And obviously subispeed always sends them so quickly. So I am happy they're here, and I didn't have to wait too long. So yeah, we're gonna unbox the box and show you guys how they look. All right. The right and the left. So let me open her up. Show you guys how they look. They're bigger than they look, but I guess that's all the ones are. They're huge, but yeah. So there it is, guys. Main harness ones. Oh man, look at that. Oh man, those are beautiful. Let me get you guys a closer look as to what I'm looking at. I know this gimbal setup is kind of overkill, but oh well. So would you look at that? They're smoked, a little smoked. The reflector smoked, and then all the cables back there. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a simple install. I didn't think they were this big, but I guess the original ones are this big too, so. I'm excited how they're gonna look, man. Heck yeah. These are gonna look way better than the stock ones. Oh shit. Whoosh. So yeah, let me just get these installed really quick, and I'll show you how they look when I'm done. Alright guys, they're connected. Easy install. I thought it was a fitment problem right here on top. I couldn't get them to quite fit in there, but it's sealed completely good. So yeah, those are the subispeed headlights. And let me show you the functions really quick. So those are the turn signals. I can have them like that or sequential. Let me show you the sequential. I'm keeping the sequential. It looks so good. God damn. Look at them crap. Look at this gas headlight. I'm just kidding. I mean, they're alright headlights, but you just gotta know the subispeed ones are fire. They even stick out a bit right there compared to the stock ones, which is a round shape. Pretty cool. Let me put everything back together, put the other headlight, and I'll be back. All right. Alright guys, well I'm done with both sides and everything looks good. Fits perfectly, no issues. The wiring was simple, nothing too crazy. They just look very nice compared to the stock ones. Yep. But yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Let me just show you guys how they look with the lights and everything. And that's without turning. There's a bunch of lights in the front guys. Including my fog lights, so hopefully you guys can see it. I don't know how good you guys can tell, but yeah, there's my fog lights and the headlights. Talk about overkill, but oh well. It looks really clean guys. Yeah, you can probably see better right here, this angle. So yeah, those five little bars right there are clean. The C light is clean, and then the side marker thing, it's lit up really nicely. Once it gets darker, I'll be able to record more. So it's too bright out here, guys. Sorry about that. There's no way to adjust it without a damn ND filter. Let me know what you guys think, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'm gonna enjoy this car even more. Just need a front lip and I'm done. It's a little walk around. Oh, it's too bright. See, that's what I mean. ND filter guys, if you're experiencing this, you need an ND filter. I don't know, I might get the new tail lights too, the Evo ones. The Eco, whatever, the V2s, or I don't know what they're called, the subispeed ones. Might get those too. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I mean, that's pretty much it for this video guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. Alright, till next time, peace out.